How to scan your applications using Play Store. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily scan your mobile devices applications using your Play Store. So let's start with opening by Play Store, and once you're inside here, just click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from over here just click on manage apps and devices, the first option, and from over here just click on this no harmful apps found. As you can see, it has already scanned, so you just have to click on this first option, which is play protect scan. So let me just show you. Even though I have already scanned few times, I'll just show you by clicking scanning option over here, and as you can see, the play protect has successfully scanning my all the applications which has been installed on my device. So it will take a few seconds depending upon your application size. So as you can see, there are no harmful apps found. So that is exactly how you can easily scan your applications installed on your Android device using Play Store. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.